around it so you can see.
Turn around. Or just...
Artillery!
Go up more and get a better angle on it, because when you're only getting half of the firework there. See, watch. So you got that full one, but when they go way up.
Oh, that's cool. Oh shit.
Oh no!
Oh, it blew up right beside it.
Yeah, that one. They're like trying to shoot you down!
Oh my god, it looks like the sparks are just gonna...
They're trying to shoot you down, bro! You better hide! Oh! I turned that round face. Oh! Oh god!
They light up the whole city.
Follow it on your video here, Doug. Camera.
Follow it.
Oh
The
crap!
ones, explosions, those big explosions.
No, watch it up there! You can take care of the video feed! Oh my god! What the fuck? Wrong word, son! I know!
That's
Oh god,
wicked.
there's nothing!
Here, I'll try it.
Oh!
Oh, frick, I thought there was smoke right there.
Oh my god!
Come over here more now, Deb, so you can see the drone.
No, look on
Looking
his
at
finish
it?
Yeah, bring the
They're
drone
too
over here.
far. From down here, yeah, like listen, they're not hitting him. He's too high up. Yeah, I know, but from down here, artillery to the ground. Oh my god! Oh, there's a drone right there, Lucas.
Down.
Why has there ever been shooting us again? Where? That's a lot of artillery.
You don't. I am. Oh crap! Now they're
You're
doing
not
real.
coming.
I pretty much half my altitude.
Hey, those are flares!
Can you come down some more?
Whoa! Oh god, they're going right above us!
Bad.
Here's or what? Come down lower and go back or something like that. You're way too high.
Bob, are you sure? You won't fly it?
No.
Yeah, did you see that?
You're way too high.
I'm not way too high. I'm seeing what's blowing up.
Go over closer to it.
Dad, when you go closer to it, you only see like this much of it.
But you see that shit close up where you never see it from the ground.
Okay.
Ever.
All right.
That's the screen. If you watch here, you can see them going up. See? And you can track it. You can watch it. You have to watch here, not there.
Well, if I'm watching here, you don't know where you're looking.
Yeah, but in this case, you can see when they're coming up and you can track it. Right till it explodes.
They're all coming up in the same place right now. It's easy.
They're trying to blow them up to keep their plans a secret.
Yeah, no, they don't. I don't think they're working.
Oh, that flared high.
Yeah, he's. Oh God, they're going.
What's that? That's a drone. I said, only if McAdam. I said, we can see it. Oh, that's cool. Now that's technology.
Fly right through that. Wouldn't that be neat? Fly right through.
Oh, it ended.
No,
It would be bad.
no, it didn't.
And then other way. Hold that with the other hand.
Look, you can see them going up, like follow and go closer.
My camera can't go up. Oh, yes, getting it.
Hey, I wonder if they got.
Let's look down.
Does your drone see anything below?
Now, what the hell are those?
Flares. They're desperate.
Those are dollar store fireworks.
But there'll be more to come.
It's like,
Come lower, bud. This will light up. Take a look around at the people. Come lower and take a look around. This is why it's got good light. You can see everything. Over here.
what do you mean?
On the street.
Oh! Oh, 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 oh!
Come over here, bud.
I got your grenade.
Oh!
Come down at altitude.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! That was way above us!
That one's up there. These ones are up there.
That's just while I do that.
I'm right over. That'd be so cool if I could do that. Star Wars.
Oh my god.
Oh, God. Oh, 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 oh! Oh, that almost caught the drone!
I thought that was the fire. The drones.
The drones are there.
Yeah, the drones. I don't even know. We need to.
Yeah.
Why did you shoot?
Oh,
That one was done. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw another one. It was